This is going to be a healthy, low-carb snack or appetizer that I'm going to make today. I've got all these little bell peppers, different colors. They're little baby peppers. I'm just going to cut them in half, long ways, and then get the seeds out. Okay, now after I got the bell peppers ready, I'm going to set them aside and I'm going to get my filling ready. Okay, for the filling, I've got this cream cheese spread. It's just regular. This was 8 ounces. I'm going to start off with 4 ounces, so I'm just going to use half of it. And I can save this for something else. I just want to kind of stir it up a little bit. Okay, and to the cream cheese, I want to add, this is 1 green onion chopped up. This is some pepperonis chopped up, probably about, this is a 2-ounce cup, so it's not even quite full, probably about 1.5 ounces of pepperoni. And then this is some cheddar cheese, some white cheddar that I shredded a while ago, about 1.5 ounces of that. Okay. Now you just want to mix this up. After you get that mixed up, then you take one of your bell peppers and you fill it with this cream cheese mixture. And then you get this everything bagel seasoning. I got this one from Walmart, or not Walmart, Sam's Club. And you just take it and you sprinkle this on top. Okay, and then I've got these little baby tomatoes that I just lay on top of it. I'm going to do about 2 on each pepper. Let's see, I'm going to do a orange one this time. You can add any kind of fillings that you would like. I like pepperonis. I wanted it to kind of taste like a pizza. And then I put my seasoning on top. And then my tomatoes. Now I'm going to continue doing them, fixing them, and I'll show you what they look like when they get done. Now I've got one that I can try. Just gonna load it up. Pretty. Okay, another thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of pink salt on top of the tomatoes to help bring it out the flavor. Just a little bit on each one. Look how pretty that appetizer looks, pretty and healthy. Okay, now it's time for me to give it a try. I've got one right here. I'm gonna try it, see what it tastes like. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. It really does taste like pizza. With that bell pepper and cheese and pepperoni. It's so good. This would be a great appetizer, healthy appetizer for the holiday season. Hope y'all give it a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.